Hello guys, this is CryptoAirdroper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mine free gaming coin. As you can see, gaming coin currently has a price of about $0.1536 on coin market cap. Gaming coin is on Ethereum chain based token. Okay, it's the native token for gaming for gaming platform. Okay, that's the gaming token. It's a native token for gaming platform, and we all know when it comes to crypto space, game related crypto has great potential for growth as long as the community of gamers keep increasing, the price will also keep moving up. So the gaming coin is already listed on several exchanges. Like the two major exchanges is listed on is the Uniswap and KuCoin, where you can trade gaming with several trading pairs. Gaming saw 24-hour low at a price of 0.1455 and a 24-hour high of at a price of 0.154. It saw a decrease in about 4.43% trading volume, and it has to be, as you all know, because despite the dip that has been going on in the crypto space currently, you can see that the price of gaming is in green, that it's increasing despite the drop, and it is ranked 990 on coin market cap. Okay, so that's basically that about gaming coin. So gaming coin has great potential, and it will be very great if you could mine and accumulate a lot of these gaming tokens while you still can. And I'll be showing you how to start mining the gaming coin. As you proceed with this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, you hit the bell icon beside it, turn on notification, so that you don't miss out on anything important. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is the app we'll be using to mine a GMEE token. Okay, you can mine this coin on this app by downloading the app and registering with either your Facebook or your Gmail. Once you do that and you use my access code CryptoAirdroper, C in capital letter and A in caps lock without space between them, you use this is what you use once you're trying to register and you ask to put an access code or referral code. Use CryptoAirdroper, C in capital letter and A in capital letter. Although I will still be dropping in the description of the video, I'm just showing you guys beforehand. Okay, so once you do that, you can start mining on on the app. So how does it work? But unfortunately, the mining will end on the 20th of October, so we have limited time to mine as much gaming tokens as possible. So how does this work? um this is the pre-launch phase of ARC8, where you can mine gaming crypto tokens. Once full ARC8 is launched, you'll be able to use your tokens to play tournaments or buy collectibles. The more tokens you mine, the sooner you'll get in. Then the mining session. Every mining session runs for about 24 hours, then it stops. So all you have to do is you make sure you renew the mining session after every 24 hours, that you restart the mining session. Then build a huge team. Build your team. Every new user who uses your referral code or link becomes a member of your team. Every active team member boosts your mining rate. The bigger your team, the more you mine. It's very simple. It's that simple. Then make sure you keep them active. There's a feature where you can poke inactive members once a day. By doing that, to send them a notification reminding them to restart their mining session. So ARC8 will be launching in a few weeks, and we only have limited time to mine the gaming coin. So if you've not started mining gaming yet, make sure you do that immediately. Okay, so this is basically what the app looks like. That's the mining app. You have the home, you have the wallet, where, as you can see, you'll be able to see your mined GMEE tokens. So tokens will be transferred to your ARC8 wallet on 20th August. So that means on the 20th of October, 20th of October, whatever you mined will be sent here, and once it's sent here, you'll be able to withdraw it to any of those exchange and swap it to your own local currency or any other cryptocurrency. So how do you now get this app? Okay, so the app is available for both Android and iPhone users. For Android users, you can get the app on Play Store by just opening up your Play Store and search for AR8. Once you do that, you'll be able to, the app will appear and you'll be able to install it. So this is what the app would look like. Okay, so you'll be able to install it. Once you install it, you need to register and you input an access code, because you can start mining. You'll not be able to start mining without the access code. And for Apple users, iPhone users, it's basically the same thing. What you have to do is go to App Store, you search for IRC8. Once you download it and register, you can start mining immediately. Okay, so I think with this much, we come to the end of the video for today. If you've derived some value from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notification, so that whenever I drop a new video like this on how you can mine free tokens that or coins that are already listed, YouTube would notify you guys immediately. Okay, so feel free to join my Telegram channel to receive more updates. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.